Another day, another Far Cry 1 video. It's nice seeing you again here on my channel. I hope you watched the previous videos before watching this one, because it's better? I don't know. Anyways, in this video we'll visit this one island. I forgot the name, but yeah, let me just start up my last checkpoint, the fort. Anyways, guys, I changed on OBS. I changed my microphone and desktop audio a bit, and I hope that it sounds better, because I found myself pretty quiet in the last few videos. So I hope it's better now. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into the checkpoint. Can't wait to see more dying.
The mercenaries have established a communications facility here. You need to disrupt their communications by destroying the satellite dish. That will create enough confusion for you to escape, and then we can focus on finding them.
And I'm talking about dying of the enemies, of course. This game is such a long time. A week or so, something like that.
Hell?
Come on, die! Perfect. Perfect execution. I hope no one's alive, because I do not want more ops. Boat? Oh no, generator. What does this generator do? Goes into here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, you can wallbang! What is bro doing? Why was he going up, down, up, down? So weird. Oh wait, no, I have P90 ammo now. Should appreciate even more ammo for the P90. What is this place? But yeah, from understanding, I have to get up there and destroy it. Oh yeah, I can see that already. Like a fort. But yeah, what's in here? Cable was going in here. Oh, I healed. Oh, what the moan was already. I don't know what men moaning in my ear, okay? Even though I hear it a lot while playing Doc in Siege. But that's for something else. Talk. Don't worry, guys. It's just sleeping. It's just taking a nice nap. I mean, who wouldn't want to sleep in the ocean like this? Such a nice view everywhere. Who wouldn't want to sleep here? Honestly. Okay. Binoculars again. Oh, why can you get more binoculars? Is there like a system for the binoculars to run out or something like that? I have a feeling yes, but wait. There was a boat, yeah, there. Let me grab that boat and go to the other island with the boat. Because honestly, I think... Oh my god! I just noticed something. The stamina bar, depending on what you're doing, if you're walking, it charges up slower than if you're standing still. Which I find an awesome detail. It also makes a lot of sense. I like that a lot! Wow. Excellent. Let me shoot some grenades! Come here, you bad people. Oh wait, never mind. Maybe that was a bad idea. Maybe not. Was it a bad idea? pretty low on health. Leave, 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 leave. Leave! God damn it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I'm 1 HP. Oh, no, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I have 1 HP, and they have me pinned down. I'm dead as soon as I leave. Or that happens! It explodes!
The mercenaries have established a communications facility here. You need to disrupt their communications by destroying the satellite dish. That will create enough confusion for you to escape, and then we can focus on finding that.
Basically just fresh fish. No big bites yet. That's because you're using the wrong bait. Try this. A grenade. Man, Freddy, you're out of your freaking mind.
Why are they running like that? Oh my. Whoa. Which one does the P90 do so not much damage? Like what? It really doesn't do much damage, wow. Reload faster! Shoot! One last guy. Headshot. When is there? Oh! Well, that was easy. Those guys weren't that big of a challenge. Wait. Heal, heal, heal. Medkit in this house. Oh. Oh, yeah. Hell. I love hell. Okay, so rushing him with a boat didn't work. What other plans do we have, guys? I'd say going from here, from the side, getting him one by one, I suppose. Yeah, let me do that. With my nice looking assault rifle, AR, whatever you want to call it. I think you have to go this way, by the way. To save that shot.
Listen good. You should be able to see the old World War II fort on the hill now. Get up there and destroy the communication center as soon as you can.
It's from World War II? Damn. World War II. Wow. By the way, I'm wondering, where does Far Cry 1 take place? Like, in what country does it take place? Looks like, I don't know. I really don't know what it looks like. Maybe somewhere in America, probably. But I'm wondering about the exact location where it takes place. Okay, wow, those are a lot of people. A lot of people. There's no way I got all of them. Right? Did I really get all of them? Wow! That was a breeze. I swear there were more earlier. Why can't I take the ammo for the P90? Usually, you're supposed to just pick it up. Unless I already picked it up. Yeah, that would make more sense. What does it say? Test subject. Yeah, I also like using air as a test subject, honestly. What's that? Bananas? Those look like bananas. I don't know. Let's just continue. What's in this house? There's nothing there. Oh, wait! Whoa! A sniper rifle! You guys already know I'm wow, you move really slow with it though. But you already know I'm loving it. I love sniper rifles. I really do. Depending on the weapon, you really changes. This game has a lot of details for how old it is. And there's a minigun here. I have a feeling I might have to use it soon. Hope not. Save game. Let's see what awaits us.
You're
in
much
this
more likely
forest.
to encounter resistance on marked paths. If you keep to the jungle, your odds suddenly get a whole lot better.
Keep to the jungle, you're on. So wait, I have to stay off the path? Is that what it's saying, or? I think yes. Wait guys, let me adjust myself real quick. I'm sitting weirdly and my rear end is hurting a lot. My chair really isn't that comfortable. Oh, sniper time. Wait, can I not? Oh, I can adjust. Okay, let me shoot this guy. Bam! And all of a sudden they know where I am. This game, for how realistic it is, that's not very realistic. I hear a car. Okay. The fact that it's in the jungle. Making this a bit harder because you don't know where an enemy is gonna pop out from. I think there was most of them hiding behind the tree. That reminds me of a certain picture. I cleared out this section. This guy. What? Where are his eyes? Wait. Don't tell me. They also have a feature for closing eyes when people are dead. Wow.
Suck it down!
What was this guy waiting on? He's just standing there looking up there. The heck? You really can't get up these things. I don't know. They somehow fucked that up. Nothing else here to see. Guess I can just advance. And where do I have to go now? Let me go here first. This gives like just something to loot. Get armor and stuff. Flashlight. No. Wait. Guys, I'll be back in just a second. I have to check something in the settings. Okay, I'm back, and I now know how to use the flashlight with L. Oh, it's really dark. Here we go. Wait, so it is toggle. It's not hold, it's toggle. Okay, good to know. Yeah, I'm really slow with that sniper. Wait, this is an entry point? Or what? Seems like it. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna enter through here. Because going back now, I don't think that's worth it.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
You hear something? It's him! I'm gonna take you out!
More intense than a 1v5 in Siege! What does this say? Redneck today. Okay. Whoa, whoa. Calm down, buddy. Calm down, man. Going upstairs is weird in this game. That's very weird. Welcome to Education with Plushpet. Today's subject is stairs in video games. So, why the stairs in Far Cry 1 are so weird when you go up or down the stairs is because the hitboxes are individual to the stairs. Like, those are the hitboxes, so your character bumps and goes up and stuff like that. But in many other games, like for example TF2, they use models of stairs, but the hitboxes are slopes. So you walk them up smoothly. That's the reason why the stairs feel so weird in Far Cry. That was that. Onto the video. See you sometime soon. And there's an elevator. Gonna use an elevator now. Oh, here. Am I gonna exit? This side. Okay. Just so that I can prepare myself to shoot if there are enemies. You know? I think there are gonna be enemies there. No one. That's a surprise. I was expecting like 2 people guarding the elevator or something. I'm being shot at. Help me. Can't kill the sniper. Let me get the sniper ammunition. There you are, little rat. Okay, I made it to the fort. Get on my sniper. Okay. So, what do we have here? I think I'm gonna go upstairs. I think there's enemies gonna be here. Hi. Sniper time.
Keep them occupied.
God, I love the sniper. Really move slow though. Look at that. Let's see. Oh, there's some down here. Here's some of these. Honestly, this game is a pretty chill game. What is this guy doing? That was weird. This guy had a knife. Yes, perfect. Medkit. Oh, let's take that.
We have a slight problem, Jack. Looks like they've locked down the door to the comm center.
That's not good. What the hell do we do now?
It's risky, but I should
Rocket!
be able to bypass the security lock from here. Stand by.
Stand by, he says. That's rich.
That is rich. A rocket launcher.
You've been spotted. I've got sea and air targets coming your way. They appear to be approaching from the north.
That's just great.
Fuck it. Dropping that pistol. Wait, I think I have to survive. Is it like something like stand by or something? I just have to survive. That's the rocket launcher. Rocket. Get it. Oh my god, please. Get it! I think I got the gold.
Come on, Doyle. Anytime you're ready.
I thought he was... Okay, maybe that was just a
We
different...
have a slight problem, Jack. Looks like they've locked down the
different
door
one.
to the comm center.
That's not good. What the hell do we do now?
It's risky, but I should be able to bypass the security lock from here. Stand by.
Stand by, he says. That's rich.
I think I do it like this.
You've been spotted. I've got sea and air targets coming your way. They appear to be approaching from the north.
That's just great.
Take care of the boat.
I got him.
Oh, hold on. Okay, now from the helicopters. Choppers. Come on, Doyle. Hurry this up, please.
Come on, Doyle. Anytime you're ready.
Be patient.
Come on.
I'm working on it.
Work harder! Come on, I wanna leave. Okay, I hear another chopper. Bro, Doyle, please hurry up. I don't wanna be in this position anymore. Please. It's taking quite a while. Wait, I could use the minigun.
That's it. The security's been broken.
Nice.
Get into the building.
Quick, 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 quick. Okay, made it. Save the game. Perfect. Ooh, what's this? I think it's missing. Continue. Never mind, I won't continue. What do I have to do? Maybe there's something behind it? What do I have to do? I'm stuck here a little bit. Did I miss something? Oh, there's a door.
The beta strain of mutagen is more potent than I originally anticipated. The test subjects are demonstrating superhuman qualities, but are somewhat unstable. I am concerned they may become difficult to control. I have taken the precaution of using my own DNA as a carrier for the strain. Perhaps this will give them some primordial instinct linking them to me. Then I should be able to control them. The next test subjects will be ready for incubation soon.
The comm center is powered by a gas generator. If you plant a demolition pack on the fuel tank, the blast should be enough to destroy the whole facility.
Oh, a demolition pack. Right. Good thing I remember to pack a few of those.
Don't be difficult. It's unprofessional. The mercenaries use demo packs to clear brush on the islands. If you look around, you should be able to find some that you can appropriate.
Well, what else I was supposed to do? Of course I'm gonna just snipe him in his neck. That's what any sane person would do in this situation, right? Can't be alone on this one, guys. Anyways, I got this. Here.
Get out of there, now.
Okay. This is sick. Let's keep running. Oh! Wow. That was awesome.
I'll meet you at the pier on the far side of the island. It's important I don't compromise my cover, so you'll have to secure the area first.
Right.
Oh, just... Oh.
What was that?
Oh! Why do they sometimes take so many bullets? Hi!
Sometimes use hang gliders to get around the islands. You do know how to fly a glider, don't you?
No, but I learn real fast when people are shooting at me.
Well, we saw this... Well, I saw this in Far Cry 3 in my part 2 that I have uploaded since this day. To this day. And yeah, I saw this once before. I don't know, I don't think the control's gonna be the same. But we'll see how it feels. I think I'm gonna fly this, meet Doyle, maybe reveal, I don't know. But after this I might depart. Let's see. Switch view 1.
The communication network is down. It'll take hours for them to restore their systems to normal. Until they do, you should be able to move around much more
just
easily.
WASD.
So our communication will remain unaffected.
Leave me alone, you chopper. I think I'm gonna land somewhere there. This chopper doesn't get a problem. Being pretty annoying. I'm just gonna land, that's it. I'm really out of bullets right now on my sniper rifle. God damn, I want to make this... What the fuck is that thing? What is that? Oh, something's gonna get deployed. What are you trying to do? Oh my. Don't fall off. What are these planes called? That's what I'm wondering. Okay, game saved. That's nice. Might get ammo there for my sniper rifle. There are these ammo boxes. And I think it always charges up, well, gives ammo to a certain weapon, so I'm guessing there are certain types of ammo boxes. Maybe I shouldn't have jumped down. Reload my sniper. Wait a second.
It looks like they're pretty excited about the damage to the communications tower. I'm headed in, but I need a diversion. Why don't you blow up the armory in their camp? That should create enough of a distraction for me to slip through.
So, you're telling me to blow something up to divert their attention from the other thing I blew up? Brilliant.
Okay, this sounds like I have a new mission. before I can actually end this chapter, or whatever you want to call it. So, wait. Oh, cool. How do I... Okay, I can't go third person like this, sadly. But I'm gonna end my part here. I hope, that the microphone was good during this video. Or else I'm gonna get mad a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna end this part here. Hope you liked it. And I hope, you have a great rest of your day. Or night, or whatever time it is for you. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a like, a subscription to my channel, and if you really like it and are obsessed, maybe that's too strong word, but if you really like my content, just hit the bell to get all my notifications, I guess. And yeah, I'll see you on the next part where I blow up their armory camp or something like that. Till then, bye!